the pineapple yaw. Pero these are not big pineapples.
What lang man?
Small pineapples, wow. No. Oh, di ka laman si gano'y, oh. Isa. This kalamansi. We'll go there, we'll go there. We will look at the area. We will look at the, unsan eh. Katong gitanom nilang sayote.
Ah.
Naku, Roger, nothing happened to our potato, Roger, oh. They will try down there where Naldo is. The soil there is softer. This ginger. Ang turok naman. Not like, ano lang there. Mas tagan. Imagine it rained, ano, and then it's dry again, no?
Sige.
Ano pa?
Rain lang ko ago.
Oh. It was raining good, di ba? When we went up.
Maybe what we should put here are plants that can withstand heat, no?
Yeah, that's why, ginger.
Oh, yeah. Ginger here.
Mm.
Plant.
Mm. No, ginger na yan.
Ah, ginger.
Ginger is it's planted already with ginger yan.
Ah. There's some brewing there.
Oo. Not there, oh. Look kaya di sayote, oh. It's a vine. It will just grow ba. And then they will pellet it here.
Mm.
Oh, they plant the whole thing lagi, oh. See? The whole sayote ba is planted, no? There, oh. See?
Mm.
There pa, oh. This one, they will clear this na. Basta na itong pakchoy. There's Carabao. Ah, they planted also the hero. No,
Where?
there, oh. Nagtubo naman, oh.
Ah, sayote.
Oh. Kasi they will let it grow here. Saka diha sa nangka.
Carabao.
Maybe nice to put the ano here, no? May kalya lily later on. It's not too hot, no?
Mm.
Basig pwede dire kalya lily,
Maybe.
no? Too hot na. Nagtanong man may ano dire. Tanglad. Ah, there's the pond. Doon ay plastic needs, oh. Pond nila Bascones, our neighbor. Ah, gamay lang. Maliit lang yung pond niya. Gamay rin yung pond niya, no? Ours is bigger. Ah, there's their pond. Tabunan na ang atom boulder again, oh. Sa?
Where?
Meron. Ah, yan ang pond nilang ginawa. Liit lang. The water that's going there, yeah, comes from here. Comes from this boulder. Yeah.
The Carabao is following us.
Okay. Luminaw siya ba?
Mm.
Dako, no? Carabao. Gamay ra ilang pan diya, eh.
Small.
Dako tong atong pan. Sus, this one should be ready by ano na. When the pak choy is ano na, hindi ano. Pak choy lang. Pak choy, pwede na. Ay. Nice the wind yan, oh. Nice the wind.